Your wife is going to ask you a question as if you are an engineer and you are not one. Hii nyumba, unaona hii pira waliweka hapo kwa nini? Your wife is going to ask you questions as if you are a doctor. Sasa vile naumwa na hapa, unaona ni kama ni ugonjwa gani niko naye? Kabla hujamwambia enda hospitali, jaribu kujibu maswali. Praise the name of the living God. So don't avoid. Yeah, and especially when you are the head of that family, you are going to be bombarded by so many questions. Bwana asifiwe sana. Wazee wengi wakiulizwa maswali, wengine huwa wanatedi kunyamaza. Tafadhali jibu maswali. Ambia mzee aliye karibu na wewe, jibu maswali. Yeah, hata kama ni watoto wanauliza maswali. Na unajua watoto wanakuulizanga maswali mengine mpaka unasikia kama utamwambia enda ukaulize mwalimu. Go and ask your teacher. No, you are the teacher at home. And your child believes that you know you are the best mathematicians, you are the best physician, and they are going to ask you questions. Praise the name of the living God. So listening to one another is part of the healing process of every family. Listening to one another, coming on the same table, discussing issues that are important to you and to the family. Number 2, don't discipline when you are angry. Don't discipline your children. Discipline is very, very important. But when you discipline in anger, you may cause harm. You may go beyond discipline. Because when you are angry,